this is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I have a unboxing from Diamond Painting Fanatics, and I have never ordered from them before, so I wanted to show you how the actual canvas comes shipped. It doesn't come shipped in a box or a tube, but it is in this heavy-duty plastic. And then also, whenever you open it, it comes wrapped up really nicely in this really thick bubble wrap. So I do like this. It protects the canvas. So it's not just in this plastic wrap, it is in this bubble wrap, which is really nice. I did go ahead and just open this part so it'd be easier, but everything is in here, so it's really good and safe. It did take a little bit for me to get this. I was actually starting to wonder if it got lost in shipping, because on the 15th of April, it said that it had shipped, but I'm just now getting it around the 16th of May. So I was a little concerned, but I did receive it, and it does say on their website it can take 2 to 3 weeks to ship, and it did come international, so I wasn't worried that I wouldn't get it. I was just afraid that it might have been lost in transit, but it made it, and it looks really good. The ends do have little bands on them to hold this together. There is a toolkit in here. I think it asks you if you would like a toolkit, and I think I opted not to get one if they did ask, but it's fine either way. I did receive a boat, a plate of wax. We have a little scrunchie here that you can put on the end of your pen, and then also we have some tweezers. So we'll go ahead and open this. I have my own tools, so I typically do not use tools that come from kits. I do put them up and I give them away. Okay, these are pretty sharp on the tweezers. It does come with a little plastic covering here, so keep that on. And then we have just a clear pen here with a single placer, and then this looks to be a 4-placer on the end. And then our little scrunchie here, it's purple. We have our wax. If you use this wax, make sure you do peel the plastic off, or you will not be able to get any wax in your pen. And then this little tray. We'll look at the drills in just a minute. These are round drills. And I typically do order rounds when I first order a kit from a company that I have not ordered from before. And then if I like the rounds, then I will definitely order again, and I'll order squares the next time. So let me roll this over. This feels really soft. It actually feels like soft lint. I'm not sure if it is, but it does feel very nice and soft. So I'm kind of assuming that it is. It's already starting to straighten out on its own. The canvas in the front is really soft as well. Looks to be really good quality just by looking at it. Okay, it does say on the bottom, diamondpaintingfanatics.com. I will put their information below so you can see that as well. And then it has on the left side, it's going to have the schematic. There are 45 colors in here. And then it has another one over here on the top right. And this one is from Cobb Pkwy. It's a 50 by 60. I may be pronouncing that incorrectly, and if I am so sorry. I'm assuming that that is the illustrator or the artist of this painting. There's also on this side, it says Fanara. They do not include, actually they do. I was going to say they didn't include any information, but they do here. So we'll look at that in just a minute. Here is the thumbnail. It's kind of hard to see. I'll show you what the picture looks like closer. It is a gnome. And so it's a gnome with looks like a purple hat here. And I used to not like gnomes, and for some reason lately I have been on a gnome kick. So I saw this, thought it was really cute, and thought I am going to work on this and see how I like this company. The sticky is really good. The symbols are really good and clear. I don't have a light pad on me, so I don't have any overhead light on this either, and I can see very clearly all the symbols. It is scalloped and stitched on the ends, so to help with the void on fraying. And let's see, some of the cover has a little bit of wrinkles on it, and that's fine. It's just the cover, it is not the canvas. The canvas looks really good. This plastic is a little on the flimsy side, but I use the plastic and I will section off on this, and then I will just be able to easily cut the plastic so it won't stay on too long once I get it started. I'm not really sure when I'm gonna be able to start this, but I really would like to. I think he is so cute with his little beard here and his little hat. So let's look at the actual drills. There's also flowers all around him. I can bring that out just a little so you can maybe see it a little better. But I love all of the purples in here and the greens. And we have some flowers all up here on the corner and going down into the right-hand side. Also matches the color of his hat, it looks like. And then we have some more greenery over here and all underneath him. But let me open this so we can see the inventory sheet, if I can find the end. I think you'll be able to see this picture a little better. Here we go. Does not have stickers, and that is fine because I will use this inventory sheet and make my own stickers. This shows you how to diamond paint on the bottom here. And then here is our thumbnail. I think he's just really cute. The bottom's going to be a little dark, but it's going to be really pretty because it's going to have all the purple in it at the sides and some pink over on the flowers and then purple on his hat. It does give you all the numbers here showing you that there are 46 colors, and it's going to give you the symbol here. I'm trying to see if there's any that might give any problems. That 8 is really dark. And one thing that I can see already that I really like about this is that they do have a number 8, but they do not have a letter B. And the number 8 and B always gets me mixed up on all of my canvases. Doesn't matter who the company is. I have a hard time, especially if they're the same color. But this one is not. It looks like the majority of the symbols are ones that I've seen in the past. They don't look very bad. The only thing that I do see with the symbol that may prove to be a little difficult is on some of these symbols. If you can see here, it is very dark that they have on the color, so you can't hardly see the symbol. So what I'm probably going to have to do on something like that is just put a sticker on there from me that I make and put what the symbol is, because I'm going to have a hard time with that. And that may just be me, but it is really dark. I think that should be a little bit lighter so you can tell what the symbol is. It does give you the DMC numbers, which I really like there, because if the drills are really good, then I'll keep them and I will know what DMC they are. It's going to tell you how many, the quantity of the colors that you have and how many bags. So some like to use this as an inventory sheet to go through, make sure they have all the number of bags that they need. And all of these are showing 1. I typically don't do that what I'll do, especially if it's only 45 colors, is that I will go through when I kit up, and then if I'm missing something, then I can look on here to see. Let's pull out one of these. Okay, this is 211. Okay, what this tells us on the bag, and there's a little bit of static in here, but I've had static on everything. If you guys have been following me, you know I'm dealing with static on all my drills. This shows you this is a number 5, not the symbol, but it's a number 5 that's on the side here. This 211 is DMC number 211, and then we have the 3.2 is the weight. So it doesn't tell us what the symbol is, but it tells us this is a number 5. So all I have to do is to go either here to see the number 5, or I go on my schematic and I can see what number 5 is. And what I may do, because some of these are dark, is just put the number from the color list, put that on there, and then that way I can look and I can see what that's going to be. The drills look really good. I'm assuming these are acrylic drills, but honestly, I can't tell. I have a hard time determining on the drills, but they look really good. I don't see any dimples in any of those. That is a small bag, so let me see. I'm going to see if these are in order. Okay, it looks like, I don't want to get them out of, they're not in order. No, they're not. They are in DMC. Okay, they're in DMC number. So it's not in number order. It is in DMC order. And so that's fine too. I don't have a problem with that. Yeah, they are. I'm looking just to make sure that I can confirm. They are in my order here. They're in DMC order and not in number order, and that's okay. I'm gonna look at a large dark bag. This bag is full. This is number 3031. They look really good. I'm not going to try to put them in, well, I guess I could. I'll just use this container. I'm going to just pour a few in here, hopefully, because they do have static. It's not going to be horrible. Just putting a few in here to look. I don't see any dimples on any of these, and usually on the black ones, you can usually tell, or I can, if the drills are good based on how the darker ones you can tell. For some reason, I can see those more. If there's any flaws to them, then I can on the lighter ones. There's going to be a lot of this color in here. Put a few more in. And really the static's not that bad because they're not clinging. It looked like they were in the bag, but they're not clinging at all. I'm not used to these little trays. Okay. Actually, even with this little tray, they line up very well. That's a straight line there, so this tray is pretty good. And the drills are lining up very nicely. Again, I don't see any problems with these drills. And this one, I did mention it was a 50 by 60, so that is also a really good size for me anyway. I'm doing such large ones that I was looking for a smaller size where I can work on it in between, or if I get tired of working on the really large ones and I would like to see a completion, then I can go to a smaller one. And so that is exactly what I plan on doing with this one. I would like to work on this. I mean, to me, this does have summer vibes, but I would probably am going to plan on working on this one maybe in August or September, even though that's going into the fall. And I might even do it before then, but if you have watched my video on a project that I'm working on, it's going to take me a while. But I do want to get started on this just so I can give an overall, my opinion on this company. And I have seen really good things from them. The customer service is excellent because I sent an email towards the first part of May, and I was asking if they could tell where my shipment was. I was just a little concerned because it had said it had been shipped for 2 weeks. There was a tracking number, but I couldn't tell in the tracking number how it was going to come to the US. And I sent an email, and within like 10 minutes, probably even less than 10 minutes, Cindy, one of the owners, sent me a message and said that, I've looked at this, it says that it's been shipped, and it says that it's already in your area. So I was really excited about that. And then we kind of conversed back and forth. And they are also, Diamond Painting Fanatics is also one of our sponsors for our Josephine Wall event that's taking place now. And we have heard really good things from our co-host, one of the co-hosts that has actually was working on one of these, and she really likes the rendering and the quality of what she ordered so far. And then also we have had some of our subscribers actually say that they really like this company as well. So I'm really, really looking forward. I always like to purchase from small businesses whenever I can. And I'm hoping that I will be able to purchase more from this company, and that I will be able to actually sit down and get this diamond painted fairly quickly, so that I can show you what the rendering looks like. And I may even go ahead and kit this one up soon. I'm in kind of a kitting up mood lately, and if I get it kitted up, then it will be ready whenever I am in between these large projects that I'm working on. And I really want to see what he's going to look like. It may be hard for you guys to see this, but with me looking at this at an angle, I can see his eyes. It's almost as if he is staring at me, wanting me to go ahead and get started. It's like he's taunting me and telling me I need to start diamond painting this. And I've been feeling this way when I open up a kit. It's like, do I want to work on this now or later? And this one is like, you need to work on this one now. And I think his nose is so cute. One of the cutest things that I see on him is the nose. I don't know why that is gravitating toward me. It's kind of weird. But anyway, I think he's going to be a really cute gnome. I'm really looking forward to working on him. And I will be kitting this up sometime on my channel. Thanks so much. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I can send the questions off to the owner. I did purchase this myself. I was not given this, so it will be on my honest opinion anyway, but I want everyone to know I am not in any way affiliated with Diamond Painting Fanatics. I am just really excited to get a new canvas from another company, and this is a new company. So very excited to see where they're going to go. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.